Okay, we're about to start our second part of the Hasbar 1, 2, the second Hasbar in Unit 1. And now what the Mishnah is going to identify what are the actual paragraphs of the Brachot of Shema and the Shema. Now, the Mishnah is solely dealing with the paragraphs of Shachrit. I'm going to take a short moment and also just explain the different paragraphs of Arvit. So for Shachrit, the prakim are again, it starts with Yotze Or Var Choshech, and the bracha ends Yotze HaMa'orot. That's paragraph 1. Paragraph 2 of morning Kriyat Shema of the brachot of Shema is Av Rabbah and ends off Brachata Hashem, Habacher Ba'amo Yisrael Be'ahava. Then we say Shema, then Vahaya Im Shemoa, and then Vayomer. And the last bracha is V'yatziv V'nachon, and then ends off with Go'al Yisrael. This last paragraph, there'll be a machloket, and we'll see that in a moment. Just since we're on the topic, for Arvit, for Mariv, before the Shema, we have the bracha of Hamariv Aravim, and the second paragraph before the Shema at Arvit is Brachat Hashem Ohev Amo Yisrael, the 3 paragraphs of the Shema, and then the bracha following the Shema at Arvit is Ve'emuna Kol Zot, which ends off Brachat Hashem Go'al Yisrael. So Go'al Yisrael is both in the morning and at night. The only difference is how they begin. In the morning, it's V'yatziv V'nachon V'kayom, and we'll explain that in class. And why in Arvit it's Ve'emuna Kol Zot. But either way, they both end off Go'al Yisrael. At Mariv, there's an additional 4th paragraph called Hashkivenu. And Hashkivenu Hashem ends off Brachat Hashem Shomer Amo Yisrael, that God watches over Bnei Yisrael. And at night, we need extra shmirah, extra watching, so the Chachamim added an extra bracha for at nighttime. Okay, let's go back to our Mishnah. Again, we're on the Mishnah on Daf Yud Gimel Amud Aleph. We're in the 3rd parak of Hakori Batorah, which is in Brachot. And now we pick up with Elu. Elu hein bein prakim, haprakim. When the Mishnah talked about haprakim, what are these? Elu hein. These are bein haprakim. These are the paragraphs referred to as bein haprakim. Ben bracha rishona lishniya, between the first bracha of Kriyat Shema and the second. In our case, we're talking about the morning Kriyat Shema, between bracha rishona, between Yotze HaMa'orot and Av Rabbah. Ben shniya lishema, between the second bracha of Kriyat Shema, which is Av Rabbah, and the paragraph of Shema and V'ahavta. Ben Shema levahaya im Shemoa, and between the paragraph of Shema and Haya im Shemoa. Ben Haya im Shemoa levayomer, and between the bracha of Haya im Shemoa and Vayomer. And the Mishnah continues, Ben Vayomer le'emet v'yatziv, and the paragraph, different paragraphs between Vayomer and the blessing of Emet V'yatziv, which ends off as Go'al Yisrael. Rabbi Yehuda disagrees with the Mishnah, and he says, Ben Vayomer, the paragraph of Vayomer, Le'emet V'yatziv, and the paragraph of Emet V'yatziv, Lo Yafsik. You should not break it up. You should not make it interruption, but you should consider Vayomer and Emet V'yatziv, or the bracha of Emet V'yatziv, which ends off Go'al Yisrael, as one single unit. So these are the paragraphs, the Bein HaPrakim, that the Mishnah referred to in the beginning, and now it explained them for us to understand what it's talking about.